Are you looking for the best cordless hammer drills in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best cordless hammer drills that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Makita XPH0 7Z 1/2 inches cordless hammer driver. Starting with its light, metal frame that makes it the go-to tool for all hard drilling. It's just a bit more than 6 pounds in weight with the batteries, which makes it not only easier to hold, but also convenient to put pressure on during a job. Its high torque of 1090 inch-pounds and pounds further elevates its stand amongst competitors by Dewalt and Bosch. We especially dig the 3-gauge LED battery level indicator that is missing in most high-end models. While most of us do keep a spare battery handy, it is good to know when the current one is getting low on juice, because it also affects the torque. This is important if you are going to start a new task that requires all the might of the drill. It has dual speed modes 0 to 550 and 0 to 2100, has an ergonomic extra handle to keep the drill in control, and has a brushless motor that never cackles. Push the bit into the hardest material and the motor will never give in. That is the power of this Makita beast, the all-cool everything model on our list. Up next in the 4th place is the Dewalt 20V Max XR Cordless Hammer Drill Kit. Most of us already know that Dewalt's reputation precedes itself. And with this latest model, they have proved themselves as the maker of products for the long run. That is the power and reliability of the DCD996B, a mic cordless hammer drill with a 20V brushless motor that will work for generations to come. It consumes low power and increases runtime by at least 57% according to the brand. Perfect for first-time hammer drill buyers. A classic professional tool with a solid build and ergonomic handles. The DCD996B has a 3-mode LED spotlight for working in dark areas, 3-speed transmission for different applications, and nitro-carburized metal ratcheting chucks and comfortable handle grips for use in applications that involve hard materials like steel and stone. The torque is so effective in all 3 speeds, 250 revolutions per minute highest, that you will start using it for all your applications. Such is the power and charm of this Dewalt model that can be sometimes so loud you will need earmuffs. While the switch buttons are dust and moisture proof, we found them to be made of low-quality plastic. The 3rd product on our list is the Milwaukee 2704-20M18 Fuel Cordless Hammer Drill. This 18V cordless hammer drill is known for its absolutely fantastic supply of torque in the 550 RPM range. Because the drill moves slower, maximum torque is applied to the job in hand. This has a 2-fold impact. The brushless motor stays for longer, and the batteries have improved shelf life. Since Milwaukee also supports its models with proprietary technology like the RedLink Plus and Red Lithium batteries, its models tend to have higher shelf life than others, which is true for the 2704 model too. We tested it over a period of 3 weeks with continuous use and found that at the end, it was still as reliable, precise, and powerful as it was when unboxed it. Although in comparison with its advanced model, the 2706, it lacks the Bluetooth connectivity. We are especially in awe with its light build. Take it anywhere you want, and use it where there may not be an outlet in sight. Second on our list is the Dewalt 20V Max XR Cordless Hammer Drill Kit with Bluetooth. We recommend this Dewalt cordless hammer drill to a professional project manager solely because of its Bluetooth connectivity through Dewalt's proprietary app called Tool Connect. With it, you can keep a track of tool remotely, disable it when not in range, and check the batteries before an operation. Perfect for managers because you don't have to micromanage anymore. Just take a gander every now and then on the smartphone app and you are sorted. Add to that the presence of a brushless motor that will hum for years, 3 customized speed settings with a maximum RPM of 2000, automatic disabling feature when not in range, and a solid frame. It is also a supremely ergonomic device that is easy to handle and operate regardless of the severity of the application. The sturdy extended handle will prevent wrist twists and will keep the drilling on point. Finally, the top product on our list is the Bosch GSB 18V535CB1518VX Brushless Cordless Hammer Drill. When it comes to Bosch, Dewalt sometimes lags behind, because the German manufacturer comes up with some of the most obscure features, as you will see in this GSB 18V model. The Module app, for instance, is a well-reviewed smartphone tool that engineers can use to customize the settings of the tool remotely. This means the tool can be used in a single setting without adjustments remotely. A true savior if you ask a project manager out there who has associates who tinker with high-end tools. No more. Add to that the support of Core 18V Li-ion batteries that last longer than most batteries in the market. And this Bosch model makes for the ideal portable hammer tool. We found the low torque a little problematic, especially on harder materials like concrete, but reducing the speed 500 revolutions per minute got us the desired cavity. This makes us point out that this model is for professionals only, as beginners may find it difficult to manage the settings. The performance of the motor is another highlight of this handy drill that comes with a charging pod as well as a travel bag. Bosch really knows how to take care of its users, and this one here is a testament to that. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.